Hi, today let's make tasty Desi Style Chilli Chicken. First, let's marinate the chicken with some salt, pepper powder, turmeric powder, along with some ginger garlic paste, corn flour, and marinate the chicken really very well and keep it aside. While our chicken is marinating, let's make a tasty sauce for which you need some Kashmiri chili powder along with some water and tomato ketchup. I forgot to take a clip of that. So, add in tomato ketchup, mix it really very well and keep it aside. Now, in a pan, I've added in chicken. I'm shallow frying. Cook the chicken really very well till you get that golden coating, and take it and keep it aside. Now to the same pan I've added in chopped garlic. Mix it really very well. We don't need the garlic to turn brown. Add in the chili paste until the raw smell goes. Mix it and then add in water. Next, what I'm doing is adding dry red chilies along with some onions which has been cut in petal shape along with some spring onions. Mix it really very well. Now I'll add in some salt and sugar to balance the taste. Mix all of these ingredients really very well and add the fried chicken. Trust me, this recipe will taste better than the restaurant style without adding any kind of MSG or color. When the gravy starts thickening, garnish it up with some spring onions and your tasty Desi style chili chicken is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.